Everyone talks about the stock traders and the investment bankers. But do you know who really runs the show behind the scenes? The treasury managers. And if you want to be one of those financial wizards managing billions in the corporate cash, say hello to ICMA Singapore's Treasury Management Certification. The ICMA, that's the Institute of Certified Management Accountants, headquartered in Singapore, offers this power packed professional qualification designed for the finance professional across the Asia Pacific. It's not about crunching the numbers for examinations, it's about mastering how money flows, grows, and gets protected inside the big organizations. The ICMA Treasury Management Program dives deep into the areas like corporate treasury operations, foreign exchange risk and derivatives, liquidity management, funding strategies and capital structure, and the cash flow forecasting and hedging techniques. Basically, it teaches you how to manage the corporate money like a financial chess grandmaster. The program is globally recognized and widely respected in Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, and India, and even Australia. The examination itself has modular papers, the practical case studies, and the simulation style assessments that mirror the real world treasury deals. Once certified, you could work as a treasury analyst, FX risk manager, or the corporate treasurer in multinational firms and banks. It's especially great for those people aiming for the cross border finance roles. Think Asia's version of the Wall Street. At Dr. Shorov's classes, we make the treasury learning exciting. Yes, exciting. We literally run the mock simulations where students manage the virtual billion-dollar companies. And half of them go bankrupt in the first round, and the other half learn the risk management the fun way. By the end, everyone knows exactly how a real treasury team operates. Our ICMA preparation mixes theory, real world treasury tools, and the industry insights. You will learn how to analyze the liquidity positions, build the hedge models, and even crack the interview case studies from the global finance firms. We run the small batches sessions, one to one mentoring, and the mock treasury labs, all tailored to your pace. And for the learners facing the financial challenges, we have got the free access sessions because knowledge like cash flow should be always circulating. So what are you waiting for? Join Dr. Shorov's classes today.